Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment and Bolex Repair Philippines. So, you're having a little bit of stability issues with a test roll of film, and you're thinking maybe it's the pressure plate that's been out of place. Well, generally that is not the case. Let me explain to you why. You see these little indentions right here by the end of my pencil eraser? These three and then these. Well, any time that your pressure plate or really essentially anything, here's another one right here, that is out of alignment within your Bolex, then the door is not even going to close and lock. And let me show you why closer. So this is generally a main issue, common issue if you just received your first Bolex. Here's the pressure plate right here with this little knob right here. I can simply pick it up and pull the pressure plate back. Now that's not seated properly, okay? And due to those indentions I was showing you on the door, if you try to put the door on and lock it, it won't even close and it won't even lock, because it's this those little indentions will meet this part of the pressure plate and prevent it from closing and locking. So of course you just put it back in just like that and it will close and lock. Let's take a closer look at that. Okay, at the end of my pencil eraser right here is the pressure plate, of course, and I can simply lift it straight up just like this. Now the pressure plate is out of alignment. So if I were to go ahead and close the door, these items, these indentions here, as well as on other places, whatever else is out of alignment, will prevent the door from closing and locking. I can simply put the door on like this, and as you can see right here at the end of my pencil eraser and all the way around the perimeter, it's not going to seat properly. See that? So if I go to up here where the door lock is, try to lift it up and lock it, it's not going to do it. Okay? That's why it's generally not going to be the pressure plate. It's just simply not going to lock on. Again, you can see it all the way around the perimeter of the Bolex. So, of course, once you take the pressure plate right here and you push it forward and it's locked securely and properly, then you want to put on the door. It will seat properly, just like so. As you can see, it's seated properly all the way around the perimeter. I can even lift this knob up right here to lock it, turn it, and it will do so. Now the door is locked. See there? So it generally is not the pressure plate. The issue generally is when you first get a Bolex, you need to send it off for a new full CLA. Can there be other issues and related issues? Yes, there can. It can still be the pressure plate right here at the end of my pencil eraser. Just simply remove it. And what could the issue be? Well, it can generally be this spring right here. Springs do go bad. Understand, these cameras are made the industrial age and they're vintage. It's doing a job all the time, just like this, right? So the spring would have to be removed and re-tempered. That would mean with a blowtorch and some water and re-tempered. Generally that works. Also would be down here under this plate would be the most likely issue, which would be the film claw. Film claws do wear out and you need it replaced with a new one. All right? So generally those would be the issues rather than the pressure plate actually being not seated properly. Do contact me at Bolex Repair Philippines FB page for parts, questions, and servicing. The same email at bolexrepairphilippines@gmail.com. Do click that bell down there and subscribe. For faster response, Twitter at Paul Morbid. And for gory experimental horror films, do visit the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Until next time, see ya!